Hi, my name's Atif. I'm the cinema guy from Zebra Home Cinema. So I started the business in 2019. I love music and movies, and if you have the right setup to enjoy the content, it just completely transforms the enjoyment of these things. And I really wanted to share that passion with other people who love music and movies just like me. Today we are in Four Oaks in Sutton Coldfield. So this house has had a major refurb. They've had a massive house extension, including a basement. One of the things that the homeowners wanted was a luxurious space to enjoy films. They wanted a home cinema. They weren't quite sure on the design of the cinema, so they really looked to us for inspiration. So we're using a Dolby Atmos setup, in-wall Miller Kreisel speakers. We're using the legendary in-wall 150 speakers as the left, front and right speakers. We're also using the new tripole in-wall IW50 surround speakers, left, right and rear centers. And we're also using IC95 Atmos speakers in the ceiling. We've also got M&K V10 plus subs in the corners of the room. I've got to send out a big shout out to Sophie Bullock. Sophie sold this house to the homeowner. She mentioned that if you want to get a home cinema done, come speak to myself. The homeowner got in contact with me. He came to my place for a demo, was suitably impressed and appointed us to come and fit out their cinema. As always, Habitech are brilliant. Being the distributors for Miller Kreisel, the support in terms of getting the kit delivered on time, quickly, great communication. As always, we love working with Habitech and particularly with M&K. We don't ever have any problems with any of the products. They always tell us when things are in stock. So the ordering process is really simple and things arrive on time so we can get on with the installation. Mainstay, majority of our products use Miller & Kreisel. We believe they offer fantastic performance and value. So compared to other brands at a similar price point, the Miller & Kreisel speakers, they tend to perform more superiorly, particularly in terms of voicing. The subwoofers are fantastic. You know, they're legendary from how they were conceived in the first place, and that design has carried on. As a brand, they're used in post-production movie studios. They're incredibly accurate speakers, and that's why when we use them, we know exactly how they're going to perform. People are very, very happy when they hear them. I'm extremely happy with the project. It's fantastic when the homeowners, when they give us the budget to really come up with something creative and also use the right audiovisual kit. The end performance is stunning.